Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best acrylic paint color, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. CALYART 24 Colors Acrylic Paint Set. Dive into a world of color and creativity with the CALYART 24 Colors Acrylic Paint Set. This treasure trove of vibrant hues invites you to express your innermost thoughts and feelings on canvas, ceramics, or any surface your heart desires. Imagine the joy that bursts forth as you transform ordinary objects into extraordinary art pieces, igniting passion in every stroke. Whether you are an experienced artist or just beginning your creative journey, this set brings boundless opportunities for self-expression. Each shade is carefully selected to inspire harmony and emotion, while the included brushes allow for precise application. Perfect for nurturing your artistic soul or gifting to someone special, this paint set turns ordinary moments into memorable masterpieces. Unlock the artist within and let your imagination flow beautifully today. Number 2. Unleash creativity with Beadom Acrylic Paint Pen Set. Dive into a world of color with the Beadom 24 Colors Dual-Tip Acrylic Paint Pens. Picture yourself bringing your ideas to life on various surfaces. Whether you are decorating pumpkins for Halloween or transforming stones into vibrant art pieces, these markers will elevate your creative projects. Imagine sparking joy in friends and family as they admire your artistic flair. Each ink pen offers a smooth flow that effortlessly glides, allowing for precise details and bold strokes. Every layer invites you to express feelings and imagination, turning ordinary items into cherished creations. This premium kit becomes a source of fun bonding moments, ideal for DIY crafts with loved ones. By investing in this versatile set, you are choosing to fill your days with creativity, joy, and unforgettable memories. Embrace your inner artist today. Number 3. Vibrant Acrylic Paint Set. Elevate your artistic journey with the Vibrant Acrylic Paint Set, offering 24 stunning colors to inspire your creativity. Dive into a world filled with endless possibilities as you express yourself on canvas, paper, wood, rock, and even fabric. Each tube contains convenient 0.41 ounce, 12 milliliters of vivid paint, ensuring you have enough to bring your vision to life. The included 3 brushes allow for precise strokes and blending, making it easy to create captivating textures and effects. Imagine the joy of seeing your masterpiece come together, capturing the emotions you want to convey. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, this set provides the tools to translate your imagination onto your chosen surfaces. Discover your inner artist and fill your life with color and inspiration from the Color Kingdom store. Number 4. Grabe Colorful Watercolor Adventure Set. Step into a world of creativity with the Grabe Colorful Watercolor Adventure Set. Imagine the magic of blending vivid colors, each stroke bringing your imagination to life. This enchanting set is designed for everyone, from budding artists to those seeking a relaxing hobby. Picture yourself escaping into a realm where your thoughts flow freely on paper, exploring endless possibilities. The joy of watching your artwork flourish creates a sense of fulfillment unlike any other. Every time you dip your brush in the vibrant hues, excitement fills the air, promising countless hours of inspiration. This watercolor set not only nurtures your artistic side but also encourages mindfulness and expression. Embrace the soothing process of painting and let your emotions shine through. Ignite your passion for art and let your inner artist thrive with the Grabe Colorful Watercolor Adventure Set. Number 5. Vibrant Acrylic Artistry Set. Unleash your creativity with the Vibrant Acrylic Artistry Set, designed for both budding artists and seasoned pros. This exquisite collection contains 24 stunning colors, each packed in generous 2-ounce containers, providing endless possibilities for your artistic expression. Imagine transforming a blank canvas into a vibrant masterpiece or adding life to everyday objects like wood, fabric, and glass. With each stroke, you will feel the joy of creation, turning your ideas into visual delights. Perfect for various projects, from festive Easter eggs to unique home decor, this kit invites you to explore your imagination without limitations. Feel the passion as the colors dance together, telling stories only you can capture. Allow yourself to connect with art on a deeper level, and let your artistic journey begin with this inspiring acrylic paint set today. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.